Hey guys, it's Lego Master Ninja 1 here. And for today, I'm showing you the second part of the fireworks we're going to be watching off tonight for the 4th of July. Starting from the left. Here they are. We got a lot of fountains here, as you can see. At least little ones anyway. We got sweets, 2 blue mini fountains, 3 colors of Silver Orchid, which is actually part of a pack, by the way. 2 Happiness, 1 Opening Flower, and Happy Bird, which is kind of a long name. Another long name, but this one's not a fountain. This one actually shoots flame pellets up. 100 shot magical shots barrage. All it does is just shoot up like color tailed shots. We'll get more into detail about it on actual show. But for now, on these sides here, we got tanks and camellia flowers, which are much like the TNT eyeballs. And we have more things just like these things. Emoji spinners. And we also have bug zappers, which is a new one. I have no idea what it does. And world class cones, number 8 and number 3. If you look close enough, you'll probably see that number 3 is the smaller one, number 8 is the bigger one. Both of them are pretty unique each though, so each year we always get both of them, if we can. And we got the amazing fountain right here. And trust me, if you tried lifting it right now, if you were here, you'd think, yikes, that's a very heavy fountain, because it is. Unlike the other fountains, they can be lifted up way more easily compared to this one. That one's heavier. We got Black Cat's Tasmanian Devils. I have no idea what these do either, but according to what it says, it spins on the ground, aim at showers of sparks. Not to spoil anything, of course. And here's the real thing that, you know, always blows my dad out. These are Cracker Barrels. Almost every year we've been getting a ton of these. And thanks to that, we have a whole bunch of them. It's like, you know, one of my bags that I opened up was almost infested with them. Because but I don't blame them, because they actually are cool what they do. They disintegrate. New small bees. That's what that one is called. I have no idea what those do. All it says, according to the box, it emits showers of sparks. That's all it says. And we also have Dark Ghost, which you've probably already seen. I'm not going to give any more information about Dark Ghost. Power Trip, however. This one's another brand new firework that we never tried doing before. It was a bit pricey, but yet the mysteries still await us. All of us. And this is Thunderstorm. 200-gram cake. And right next to it is another 200-gram cake, Neon Night. In the last couple years, this one blew all of us away. Oh, you're probably wondering what that is, and what is with all the Black Cat fireworks. That's just one of the companies that, made them, for those who do not know. And, this is called Ultra 96. It's much like the Color Pearl. That's over here, with, these happy fireworks and his parachute rocket. What's here? And we've also got a lot of ground blooms here. Lots and lots of ground blooms. But these are regular. These are not the crackling version. But they still are very cool anyway. Without the crackling. And another 2-night parachute with flare. Earlier we saw 2, but we also got one more. And we did see 3 Saturn missile batteries, but we did get one more. And snow cones. For anyone who's interested, we can have snow cones tonight. Haha. And speaking of, icy treats, we're actually having icy treats tonight. Tonight too, for right after dinner. Tonight for dinner, we're having ham. We're having, ice pops, I think. And this is another 16-gram... Wait, not 16. 200-gram cake. Called Flabbergasted. I have no idea what it does. Or I do not... And I also don't know what the word even means. Leave a comment down below if you know the definition. And this is Sassy Sally. Another new one. We got 6 wool fountains in here. And very skinny too. I have no idea what they do. Whatsoever. Including koi ponds. What this thing actually does is epic. It first shoots... emits showers of sparks from its mouth, then the top. It's a really cool fountain. I've seen it on video. And our desert night. We have 2 desert nights. This one, and they both look different from each other. One's rainbow looking with, with an actual breaks going on. And then there's one that, shows the moon with a night sky. And this is the sword pack I was talking about. 3 colors and silver orchid, I think, is in there. If you look real close, you can see them. There's silver orchid, and there's 3 colors. And then, here we are in Happy Fireworks again. One has 36 shots, and one has 16. And believe it or not, we actually got both of them for 2 different places. We got the Color Pearl flower, which almost the same thing as Ultra 96. Ultra 96 is different though. It's new. I've never seen it go off before. I can't wait to see. Even though Black Cat's fireworks are expensive, our whole family has agreed that, their fireworks are unlike anything we have ever seen. And I agree. And then there's, a bunch of punks right there. At least, that's probably about 50 punks stacked up in one time because of how many fireworks we bought from different places. And then there's Fly High, If any of you recognize what the character is, well, I wish you could see the reaction on your face. And same for Wes Party. Do you guys know Chipmunks or Lightning McQueen? If you do, leave a comment down below. I don't care what you say. Anything is fine. I'm not saying I don't care because, you know, I'm not gonna look at them, but I'm actually saying, all that I'm trying to say here is this. I just want you to know that that your opinions matter. And there's two big blue boxes of puppets there. You just throw them and snap them on the floor, and slam them on the floor and watch them snap. Makes a pretty noise, and you know, stimulates your brain in a certain way, which attracts you to it. It's pretty interesting how that works through. Okay, and there's also ladybugs, which we have had for a lot of years, and you know, these things are actually dangerous if, you know, not in in the right place, because they can go any direction they want. Once shot off like darts and speedballs. If you actually listen carefully from the last video, where on the 3rd of July I heard fireworks, neighbors' fireworks, you may have heard speedballs and darts. Well, that's exactly what these ladybugs do. And they're similar. They can go to whatever direction they want once launched off, and they can go up to 30 feet in the air. Unlike speedballs and darts, they can just zoom right through the sky, or, you know, anywhere for a while. Until there's nowhere to be seen. We got Frog Prince and Princess. Their mouths are, you know, over here. If I just turn them over, there they are. We've had those for a couple of years. And this is a 200-gram cake. This is from our VIP rewards of going to a tent and buying fireworks and joining the VIP program. It says, thank you for being a world-class customer. 20 shots, 200 grams. How cool is that? And we got Garden and Spring. It's much similar to Desert at Night, but its acts are different. And lastly, we got Desert Smoke and Smoke Balls. According to the package, it says all it does is hold on. Flammable. It's flammable. That's it. I'm not gonna spoil anything. I'm actually gonna wait for you guys to react later about these things. But that's it. That is all the fireworks we are going to be setting off tonight. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoy my content, smash the like button, comment, or subscribe. It really helps me out. See you. Bye.